is Nadia.
My name is Lydia.
And today we're going to introduce how to make pepper slime. So first we have to add some water. But not the whole water.
What is it?
Okay. Okay, I'll add some more.
Glue.
And then we need glue.
I can't open the glue. Actually, I can't open it.
Oh. Open it. Open it.
Actually, I want to open my glue and then sew.
All of the glue?
No. All. You have to put a cup.
Okay, so
This is the glue not going off.
Keep talking.
okay, this is okay. This is okay.
More.
I know. Not more. I don't want the big release.
Okay, this one okay.
More because you put too many water. You cover the water.
That big.
Okay, is that all? Is that
Look at
all,
that big
Barbie?
Mm.
Okay, that's all. Mommy, can
More.
How about that one?
More. Cover your whole water.
That big bubble.
Keep talking.
Okay, is it done yet?
That big bubble.
Enough?
Yes.
How about me?
Okay, now we have to mix it.
Okay. You put too many water, I think.
No.
You take some water. Wait.
Don't take the glue out.
Yeah, okay. Too many
Okay,
water.
can I mix it now?
Just
Can I
one
mix it
side.
now? Can I mix it now?
Yeah.
How about me?
Okay, stir.
So,
Leave some glue for Celia.
Oh, we have anything now?
okay, next we
have
have
to
to
add
add.
more glue.
Now we have to add some shaving cream.
This is kind of
Wait a minute. I remember the girl at YouTube, they didn't add water, right?
They did.
The one I watched with Lydia.
They did it.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, you can't make it.
Doesn't matter.
You wasted.
I mean,
Wait a minute. Throw this one away and then we put again.
Okay.
But,
We make it again.
Mommy,
Okay, you try.
they do add
Just
water.
something. Oh. Oh, nah. Can you open the shaving cream? Can you open that shaving cream, please?
God.
What the? Wow.
Shake it first, Nad.
Shake it, Lydia.
Okay, is that enough? I think that's enough. Okay.
Is that not enough?
Is that
for me?
enough?
More.
All of the shaving cream? Yeah. Okay. We need to get
They
all
didn't
the
add
shaving.
water.
Yeah. Oh my God, idiot. My spoon is sinking.
Me too. Oh my God.
Okay, stir first.
Okay. Now I have to stir. My hands are getting dirty and a lot of glue come
You
here.
pull up your lips first.
Huh?
Pull out your lips.
Okay. But how? Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Smells good.
Quickly stir it. Stir it.
Now we're going to add this.
Later. Stir first.
We're going to add this kind of big thing.
Later.
Move out. Cannot see your face. Move this one to the side. Keep stirring.
Get your spoon.
Quick. Keep talking. Talk something, please.
Okay. So after we stir, and then we need to add some of the lion top that was. It's this. I can't pull it. This. But I'm very
How
sorry.
come the shaving cream looks so like a body glue?
Stir the glue under.
I
No.
didn't see any glue.
Not only the shaving cream, stir the glue.
I'm stirring the glue also. Do you hear me? I'm stirring.
Yes.
This video is so silly.
I'm not silly. You are silly. This is a shaving cream on my hand.
Why it took so long? Stir it.
I'm
Do you see any glue under? At the bottom? No more?
No more.
No more.
You look like a vacuum. Come on, push.
Keep stirring.
Oh, but
Stop making a noise!
I'm done.
Me too. Okay. So next we have to add these. This thing.
Is it enough?
Yeah, of course. The glue's already taken away.
Does it need more glue?
No, we
But
don't.
we already have that bit. This bit.
Okay. Put this one.
Then how to open it?
So I'll let my mom open it. Ew! Don't do that.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay? Enough.
I think it's not gonna work.
Me too. I think so. Gonna fail. Keep stirring. They didn't add water. The first step you get wrong.
We'll add some more
it's you.
water.
They didn't add water.
I
Right?
said no. I didn't. I'm right.
Okay, and then we have to add a little bit more water.
No water. Gonna fail. Stirring. I think Lydia can do it. Getting sticky now.
I think we have to stir 1 minute. Look at the shaving cream. So we know how to make slime, but we just buy the shaving cream at near the
And milk.
Greenfield.
Welcome.
Yeah, shop.
Welcome.
It's near Greenfield, and the spoon is not from us. We just buy
Stop stirring.
in the app store. I mean, the from the supermarket. So now we almost have the time. We almost finished.
Let's do it this, Lydia. So the glue.
You're all wrong, Nadia. This is like a looks like a cotton candy.
Does it become sticky now?
Not quite more sticky.
Should
It's
add
getting more
more,
hard.
more glue.
Okay, fine.
Aya, don't get cream here. Give me another spoon for me.
I'm not gonna use that spoon anymore.
Can you give me one more spoon, please?
It's not gonna work.
My auntie will be giving us a spoon straight away.
Spoonie, I gotta get spoons.
Ew.
Give me.
Shame.
Don't put all. Leave some to sing there.
Don't
It's too little. Give me.
Ew. Maybe add one more.
Yeah, we have to add one more.
This one leave to sing it.
Oh, how about me?
Keep stirring.
要不落個樽嘢。
What? No.
It's gonna be real sticky.
Yes. More glue.
You want sticky slime? Otherwise, you're gonna stick everywhere.
It's fluffy slime.
That's sticky slime because you add lots of glue.
No, because I am shaving cream.
Do you have some need to put some pink?
No.
Mommy, your jacket.
What are you doing? Nadia, don't stir now. Let me show you cream. Keep stirring.
My hands are full of shaving creams, even the
Because you-
spoon.
Because you.
Nadia, keep stirring.
Because of the shaving cream.
Okay, keep stirring.
You need to wash your hands. Oh my god, mine's almost ready.
Use two hands. Stir. Keep talking something.
Okay, so mine's nearly.
I'm using 2 spoons and I'm not quite good for the shaving cream.
Yeah, but it's not food anyway. You didn't even do this to me!
I'm putting some cream. Right? Because of the sticky glue. My hand is so good.
I'm so tired.
No, because of the glue. The glue is this one ready.
I'm sitting down on the
Can I sing a song?
Mine's is working.
Really? You do it. Stir all the glue.
Maybe I do like this, okay?
Hands is okay. Spoon is not okay.
Cass, we use our hands.
Wait a minute. You better work.
So now we are doing our hands.
Can we do our hands?
No. Because now you have done.
Can we use our hands now?
To make them.
Okay.
Okay, we can use our hands now.
We are doing our hands now.
Look, that's fluffy.
And they're really, really.
Like this.
Oh, I spilled the cold water. Oh, oh, oh,
Still have water at the bottom? You didn't stir it properly?
oh, no
Yeah,
water.
lie down there.
I don't
Yeah,
have
like
water.
this. The back. Yes.
Our hand doesn't look like ghost, mommy.
Because it's
Quickly.
white.
Got it.
I look like a spoon with my hand. is coming out. Do you see my hand?
Mm.
I'm coming. My hand is open. Oh, guys.
Keep doing.
So now, you have to do 1 minute just stirring. It's take a really kind of, sometimes you have to wait.
For 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Not 2 minutes, 1 minute. Papa's coming out. See, I'll show you. 3, 2, 1. Papa's coming out. Oh my god. Oh, look. Nadia, look. Nadia, look at me. Oh no, Papa's coming out.
And you keep stirring, please.
It doesn't matter for hands.
Yeah, we're just gonna stir them. Do I want to add some glue?
No, we already had a lot of glue.
Papa's coming out. My hand is really tired because of the unscrewing.
Don't add too much water. You guys add too much water. That's the fail point. Is that warm water?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not washing hands. Okay. Now I have to make
I'm
a
washing
flag.
my hand now, you see?
I keep doing. How about the bottom of the glue?
I already touched the bottom.
But it's cold in the bottom.
Nails quick. Maybe my clothes is getting dirty.
It's okay, keep doing it. Oh, Nadia almost done. Or too many?
You're keeping dropping on my clothes. Not my fault, it's because of them. Because of the naughty shade. They're not the shade of blue.
So don't use your hand.
Yeah. I
Wow,
think
yours
that's-
failed.
Not me!
Not Lydia. So liquid. Not
No,
every-
that is
So
me.
keep doing it, not playing.
I'm full off.
See the smell? My hands are very gooey.
Now, almost 1 minute. Now we're starting from 1.
Okay. How about start the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Until 100.
Yeah, you see, we will post the picture later after we make this one. Say to the audience.
Huh?
Say we will post the post the
We'll post the video,
photo after
the
we make.
photo up.
We all thank you with all of you.
Yeah. Lydia, say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you later.
Bye bye.